Hello guys and welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim and in today's video I'm gonna show you a really quick tip how to remove spray paint from metal surfaces. This is my first time of using this product, Clean Strip. When you apply this product you have to wait for 30 minutes. So I noticed this reaction immediately, and as you can see all of the paint is on my gloves. And you can literally take it off. So you can apply it directly or you can apply it on some cloth and start scrubbing it. As you can see, it does work immediately. We were making some renovation on the budget, and this was a mistake of painting all of the hardware in the bathroom with gold spray paint. This is the mistake, now we're fixing it. So it does work. I removed tub and shower faucet. This part I'm gonna remove later. And on the floor I have a lot of hardware. In this video I'm gonna be removing this gold spray paint from all of the parts. And as you can see, they're painted both from outside and inside. So this is a really quick update. As you can see, the spray paint is coming off from these parts, and this is a really good sign. So it's been more than 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna take one piece. So taking this part, let's take a look closer. Each ball also was painted. Now you see all of the paint I have on this paper towel. If there is some paint left, I can do a second application of the product, and I think it is already looking really promising. So this is the product. It's a paint and varnish stripper. Let's start applying this product. I'm gonna just spray it like this. On all parts. So now let's wait 30 minutes and I'll come back and show you what's going on with the spray paint. So also a small tip for you guys: if you have small parts, like as you can see screws here, you can put them into the container or any cup you can find. So I'm gonna apply this product one more time to remove the spray paint. Now we can apply the product right inside of the cup. So now I'm gonna apply this product on the faucet, and I'm gonna use a small brush and we'll cover the rest of the metal surface. I think I'm gonna take the brush. I'm gonna try to apply more evenly where I missed. I think the stripper started working, and soon we're gonna see amazing results. As you can see, paint is coming off from the faucet, and I think it can be ready to be removed. So we're gonna try on a small part. It does work. I have to apply more. Now I'm gonna try to remove the rest of the paint from this faucet. There are some spots that needs to be cleaned, but overall, as you can see, it looks like brand new. I think there should be already some parts that are ready. This can be one of them. Let's try to remove the paint. So I have my dirty fabric right here. I'm gonna use it to remove most of the paint, and after it I'm gonna be using paper towels. I'm using this side of the cloth. After, I like to clean the surface with these wipes. The wipes remove remaining residue really easily. You may use water as a wash to remove remaining residue. And when everything is clean, I take the paper towel and clean the metal. I think it is looking pretty good. Here I have some of the cleaned parts, no paint. Perfectly cleaned. And I already installed this lighting. I'm really happy with the product and I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can buy this product. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.